Unparalleled performance and efficiency powered by 17.9 SEER rated 115 V Inverter system generates up to 12,000 BTU. Functions as auto cleaning, 24-hour timer, quiet mode, and compressor preheating are all few clicks away. Set it and forget about it. Sleep mode depends on high-end inverter compressor which provides variable speed. Increase 1 degree Fahrenheit per hour for first 2 hour. Then hold steady for remaining 5 hour. Switch off when the 7 hour is done. AC will automatically turn off once abnormal operation or parts failure are occurring. Error or protection code will display in digital plate. Industrial material is the hardware of choice. Able to work in low temperature environment as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Came with 1 year warranty of repairing.